Beating Type 1 presents how to use an insulin pen. Hi everyone, it's Ella with Beating Type 1. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I do a insulin pen injection with a Tresiba Flex pen. Please do not consider anything you see or hear in this video as medical advice or otherwise, and always consult your physician before making any changes to your insulin regimen. Alright, now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's get to it. In July-August issue of 2015, Diabetes Forecast, released by the ADA, there was a study that said that using alcohol wipes prior to injections can actually increase your chance of getting an infection. I've had type 1 for 22 years. I've never had an insulin pump site infection, and I've never had an injection site infection. However, due to the nature of my personal medical situation, I do prefer to utilize alcohol prior to injection, but studies have proven it's really not medically necessary. But to each their own. Hence, consult your healthcare provider and see what works best for you. So, you're going to need, at minimum, your pen, a needle, and if you want, an alcohol wipe, and a place to dispose of your sharps. If you're out and about, it's good to put your sharps in like a little spot in your bag, and then just make sure you put them in the sharps bin when you get home, or follow your local area's guidelines for sharps policy. Okay, let's get started. So first, I'm going to take the lid off my pen. I'm going to look at the insulin and make sure it's nice and clear. Definitely clear. Clear as day. Now, we're going to take the pen needle. I'm going to tear this part right here like that and rip it right off just like that. You're going to take your pen. You're going to just first just push it in, and then you're going to twist it until it's on there nice and tightly. Take off this cap. Take off the inner cap. You're going to go to the prime dose. This part is universal. All pens are meant to be primed with at least 2 units prior to your dosing injection. When I do prime the pen, I always make sure that it is going up, because air bubbles naturally rise to the top. So if there's any air in the pen, you want to expel that. So you want it to go like that. It's pouring insulin, it's pouring insulin. Get it instead of pouring rain. All right, now I'm going to just dose up to the dose that I take. And then I'm going to take an alcohol wipe, do my little trick. The reason I use my knee is to kind of pudge my arm just to pinch up. Just gonna wipe down my injection site. And then wait till it's dry. And then I'm just gonna 1, 2, 3, brave, go right in. While I'm in there, then once the needle's in my body, I push that button right here, and I wait a few seconds, like so, and then I pull it out, put the cap back on, and if I'm home, toss it right in the sharps container. If I'm out and about, put it in a little spot in my bag until I can get home to dispose of the sharps properly. Thank you for watching. If you like this video or if you found it helpful, please feel free to comment, rate, or subscribe if you feel like it. And if you'd like to see more videos or have any specific requests, please leave a comment in the box below. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this may have helped.